Every morning when the sun rises, someone somewhere wakes up with a dream. Someone opens their shop, someone heads out to meet a client, someone loads up their family and sets off for a new city. And behind all of these people is one companion who never tires, never stops, never complains. It just moves forward, carrying with it not just cargo but commitment. That's the GMC van, not just a vehicle, but a trusted part of the journey. When you first lay eyes on it, its stance, its bold height, its solid build speak volumes. This isn't just another van. It's a machine built on trust. The tires grip the road with purpose, the headlights cut through the dark with clarity, and even the sound of the doors closing gives you confidence. Everything about it feels strong. But the real story begins when you sit behind the wheel. The moment your hands touch the steering, you know this vehicle isn't just made to drive, it's made to glide. On turns, on slopes, on tight city streets or open highways, it handles with the kind of control that tells you, this van listens to you. It moves with you. The GMC van isn't just about transportation. It's about ambition. It's for the people who don't just think about doing something big, they go out and build it. For those who turn ideas into actions, for the creators, the movers, the believers. This van doesn't just carry products, it carries purpose. Whether you're delivering goods, starting a food business, or building your brand on wheels, the GMC van becomes the foundation beneath your mission. And when it rolls onto the street, people notice. Because the name GMC has stood for decades as a symbol of strength, durability, and trust. Whether you're running a food truck, managing a small logistics company, setting up a mobile studio, or taking your family on a cross-country road trip, this van adapts to you. The space inside is incredible. You can pack in everything from crates and heavy equipment to a mobile kitchen or full production gear. And it's not just about space for stuff, it's about space to work. The layout is smart, efficient, and flexible. You can turn the van into a workspace, a rest area, or even a full-on mobile business. It becomes whatever you need it to be. Let's talk about the interiors. Most people assume a van's cabin will be simple, maybe even boring, just the basics. But once you step into the GMC van, it changes that perception. The silence inside tells you immediately this is a well-insulated space. Outside noise stays outside, and inside it's just you and your thoughts, your focus. The seats are designed for long hours, supportive, comfortable, and thoughtful. Every button, every control is exactly where it should be, made for people who drive with purpose. And when it comes to tech, GMC doesn't hold back. From advanced infotainment systems to real-time navigation and smart device integration, everything is tuned for performance and ease. Whether you're heading into the city, cruising on the highway, or parked somewhere remote working on your next big idea, the GMC van keeps you connected, comfortable, and ready. It's a command center, a driver's lounge, and a storage powerhouse all in one. It doesn't just go places, it gets things done. You don't need flashy to feel powerful. You need reliable. You need consistent. You need a machine that doesn't let you down when the pressure's high and the deadlines are close. That's what this van delivers, the ability to show up, every time, with everything you need, exactly where and when you need it. And when people see it arrive, they don't just see a vehicle, they see commitment in motion.